it's hay.
No, okay. As we were driving along the route, there's this freshness of a smell, this wafting along this state line route. And of course, I was with Joseph and Giuseppe and find out that Giuseppe from a distance with his nose out explained that was haystack, of course. They were harvesting this just about a mile up that way. If this is good for cows, it's definitely good for us too. They're harvesting food for the animals, the beef protein that you are looking for. I'll tell you, there's a sweet taste in this. Yeah. Really, you can even eat grass these days because they're grown to such a quality. Is it? Whatever is fed is what that cow or the animal is going to may be made of, just like me. If I eat this, I won't become a cow. I might act one. That's what's happening to a lot of people. They're eating meat. Their aggression, arrogance, egoistic attributes are just manifesting inside of them. Eating this stuff, and it's eating meat. You're not becoming so gentle anymore with life. You're becoming really... I'll tell you, that grass, this stuff tastes good. There's no... Look at the size. These little barn houses or these storage, it's just sort of like it's a new stock's just been delivered here. And all these are being dated, numbered, and of course they have been loaded onto the trucks. They're dried, these ones are now. A natural sun. There we are.